ground floor plan design, and first floor plan, 4 bedroom, and all attached bathroom, ground floor, 1 bedroom, and ladies hall, gents hall, majlis area, wide hall, kitchen, dining. So we will see. This is our entrance step, and this is our entrance. We are getting 550 by 580 majlis area for ladies, and this dress area and bathroom access here. This arch 250 by 240, and this side, this is arch. This big hall 780 by 930. This side also entrance. This is steps, and this wonderful stair design, and this big side bedroom 920 by 560, and this attached bathroom 250 by 240 for dress, 290 by 240 for bathroom, and this side kitchen 5 meter by 6.5 meter, 500 by 650 centimeter, and this dining area, this attached bathroom, and this also this side attached bathroom, and this big hall for gents 850 by 530, bathroom 380 by 360, dining 610 by 650. This for ground floor plan, and this first floor plan, this VR access here, big hall 780 by 821 centimeter, then big bedroom 560 by 920, bedroom 1, this entrance for dress area 250 by 240, and bathroom 290 by 240. This is open arch, and bedroom 2 730 by 650, and this attached bathroom 300 by 270 dress area, this open arch, and bathroom 300 by 360, this bedroom 2, this bedroom 3 850 by 530, entrance from here, this entrance from here, and this entrance from here. This lobby area 290 by 270, this is open arch, and this is entrance for bathroom, attached bathroom, this dress 290 by 360, this is cupboard, this all cupboard, and this bathroom 380 by 360, and another bedroom. This is our entrance, this master bedroom 850 by 530, and this is sliding door, balcony, this is balcony 250 by 250, and this is another bedroom number 4 550 by 850, and this bathroom entrance from here, this is dress area 250 by 240, and this bathroom 280 by 240, and this is small kitchen for pantry 260 by 310. So this bedroom number 4, big size wonderful bedroom, and this wonderful design, and we will see our window and door location. So we are entrance, this window design frame, this side also window, and this side window for ventilation, and this sliding door, this bathroom ventilation, this dining window, this bathroom ventilation, this kitchen window one side only, this side only also, two side coming, and this bedroom window, two window, because this very big bedroom, this ventilation, and this continuous glass window for wonderful design. And this first floor, this window here for ventilation, here for ventilation, and here for window, both side window, and this side window. We got this very big bedroom, and here window for ventilation. This continue going for first floor, roof floor, and this kitchen for window, this ventilation, this window, this handrail balcony, here window, this side window. So everywhere our old window locating. This plan covering boundary area. We will add our door. So this is our entrance. And this is our door, and this is our door. This is open arch, no need door. Here we are getting door, and this sliding door, and this is our arch, open arch. Here door for kitchen, here door, and this is our this area, here door, and this is area, here door, and this bathroom, and this toilet section different, and here already door, this area, here door. This side we can keep outside door, and this is open, this side door. So ground floor, this much door location, and we will see first floor. Very important, very important. This side we have given back side door, back side kitchen. This is boundary covering. You can give boundary 2 meter, 3 meter, and we are reaching first floor. This side door, this open, here door, and here door, this open, and here door, and this entrance, here door, this open, here door, and this bedroom, here door, this sliding door, this kitchen door, and this open, here door. So like this our this bedroom, 4-bedroom plan for first floor, and ground floor 1 bedroom, and hall, ladies hall separate, gents hall separate, dining area, white kitchen, backside entrance. So this wonderful floor plan. I hope you like this plan. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.